Hello, my gadget friends. I received this mega bounce ball to review. Let's see how good it can bounce. Wow, this was amazing. I have the perfect idea for this. What? Aha!
Wow, that is some amazing bouncing ball. Don't worry, he has done some even more stupid things and he always comes back. And like usual, I can clean up his mess again.
I hope you enjoyed this gadget breakdown. Give the thumbs up button a tap and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a new review.